6 tips to rebuild your trust if you have been hurt. If you've decided that you're willing to forgive and trust people again, below are some tips on how to make that process better for you. 1. Put yourself first. 2. Communicate your expectations. 3. Set clear boundaries. 4. Realize that rebuilding trust takes time. 5. Speak to a licensed therapist. 6. People's actions tell you what you need to know. Put yourself first. While we should always put ourselves first, oftentimes after being hurt by someone we love or care about, only then do we come to realize we have been putting the needs of others before our own. Take this time of clarity to mend the most important relationship of all, the relationship you have with yourself. Communicate your expectations. For anyone who has broken your trust, communicate what your expectations are of them moving forward. Let them know your trust in them is broken and that you need time to heal. Explain what they did to break your trust and what they can do to regain it. Set clear boundaries. Communicate your boundaries with the person who has broken your trust. Let them know the behaviors you will not tolerate, like lying or not telling the complete truth. Then, hold yourself accountable to stick to those boundaries that you set. Realize that rebuilding trust takes time. Take all of the time you need to rebuild your trust, either with that person or with people overall moving forward. You may need more time to come to terms with their pain, and that's okay. Speak to a licensed therapist. In many cases, some people who have dealt with more severe trauma may not be able to identify what their triggers are. A licensed therapist certified in eye movement desensitization and reprocessing (EMDR) can help you to identify your triggers, label the associated feelings, and then process them so that your brain will be able to stop seeing something or someone as a threat. People's actions tell you what you need to know. When you're learning to trust people again, you may be very hesitant and at times overly cautious. While it can be easy to listen to the words of others and trust that they've changed and that they won't hurt you the same way again, watch their actions for change.
Thank you for watching.